Welcome back to the cafe. Welcome back. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you've been a long time subscriber, and by long time, maybe 2 weeks ago, welcome back too. So today it's going to be a hopefully quick tutorial. I'm going to discuss how to blend your elements in with the background, or just to blend it, period. So it's not just cut off like how she is here. So I'm just gonna go to my elements and I'm going to search blur, but I already have one in here, but you type in blur and I'm gonna pick this one. They have them in a few colors, so if you click see all, you'll see a bunch of them. But I have a hack because I don't have time to be looking for all of them. So I just grab the first one, no matter what the color is, and then I hit edit image, and then I scroll down to, depending on where they pop up on the computer, I click duotones, I can't even pronounce, and I select any one. It really doesn't matter which one I select for this trick, for this hack. So the thing is to change both of the colors to match the background color. So I'm going to click this first one up here, and then I'm going to click the plus sign, the eyedropper, and then I'm going to hover over the background. And you pretty much could leave it like that, but I like to do both of them. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click the second color, which says shadow, and I'm going to click the plus sign, the eyedropper, and I'm going to click the background again, so that they are both the same color. I'm going to hit apply, and just that easily I have faded out or blended this young lady in with the background color. And you could do it with any color you choose. It's just that simple. And then you can just proceed to make your flyer per usual. So I'm just going to do something super quick just for the sake of the flyer. Shop now, and so we're just gonna do something like super quick, and I think I'm just gonna, let me see. And I'm just gonna change the font, am I? Okay, we'll change it to this one. And I'm just gonna duplicate it a couple of times. And then after you do it a few times, Canva will automatically duplicate it for you. And I'll just put one, it'll be halfway off the page. And what I'm gonna do is decrease the transparency as we go down by 5. So I just always have to remember what the last one was. Trying to get it to go, it don't want to go. There we go. And I'm not gonna be too precise because I'm getting ready to go to sleep because I gotta go to those people's job. So you get the gist. I don't remember what the other one was, but we're just gonna fade it out a little bit just to give it a little interest. And let me lock this really quick. Let me pull it out a little bit because I can see some of that back there. And I'm just gonna lock this in place just so it won't move. And I'm just gonna group these real quick. Bring them up. Alright, and there you have a quick little social media flyer. It didn't take any time. I hope this tutorial was very simple and easy to follow along. Please make sure you subscribe, share, and like. And if you want to find another video, well, where else would you go? You come here. Please leave in the comment section any other tutorials you would love for me to make for you. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.